AI-powered PMP management dashboard. From a management and AI architect perspective, this image titled AI-driven PMP transformation, from DNN to strategic intelligence presents a compelling visualization of how deep neural networks, DNN, can revolutionize project management practices, PMP, in the software industry by providing strategic, data-driven insights. Here's a detailed breakdown. Architect, Pradeep K. Suri. Magnifying glass tilted left 1. High-level objective. This framework bridges the gap between traditional project tracking and predictive intelligence using AI/ML, empowering decision-makers to proactively manage risks, optimize resources, and enhance ROI. Brain DNN model architecture. The diagram at the top shows a deep neural network, DNN. Inputs, left side key PMP attributes such as project ID, team size, budget, duration. Risk level, percent completed, delay days. Client priority, stack score. Hidden layers, middle multiple hidden layers, hidden 1, hidden 2, hidden 3, enable deep feature learning, allowing the AI model to understand nonlinear relationships and complex dependencies. Outputs, right side. Strategic KPIs, ROI forecast, risk trend, budget variance, resource utilization, skill gaps, phase delay risk, task suggestion, code coverage alert, defect probability. Wrench. As an AI architect, this illustrates a multi-output regression/classification model trained on historical project data to deliver diverse insights simultaneously. Bar chart. AI-powered visual reports. These bar and line graphs, bottom panel, illustrate how the AI translates model outputs into actionable dashboards for test data. 1. ROI forecast, helps in strategic investment decisions. 2. Risk trend, tracks escalating risks over time across projects. 3. Budget variance, alerts on budget overruns or savings. 4. Resource utilization, aids in manpower optimization. 5. Skill gaps, identifies talent shortages for upskilling. 6. Phase delay risk, predicts project phase slippages. For managers, this brings strategic foresight. Instead of reacting to project delays or budget issues, they can predict and prevent them. Key use cases for management. Portfolio monitoring, view AI-generated forecasts and deviations across projects. Risk management, real-time risk profiling and mitigation planning. Team optimization, align resources where skill gaps are flagged. Stakeholder communication, provide predictive reports to clients/boards. Key insights for AI architects. Model engineering, needs robust feature engineering, example converting percent completed, delay days into time series features. Data pipeline, must handle structured project data and output interpretable visualizations. Real-time decision support, architecture suggests potential for real-time dashboards with dynamic inputs. Conclusion. This is a powerful integration of AI into PMP, where deep learning is not just used for automation but for strategic augmentation. It reflects a transition from data reporting to intelligence-led decision-making, championed by visionary roles like AI/ML architects and management leaders. Thank you.